Let's make some flowers using these Hobbii yarns from their new Friends collection. Chain 4 and slip stitch into the first chain to create a ring. We're then going to chain 3 and do 11 double crochet into the ring. Slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 we created. Change colour, chain 1 and place 2 single crochet in every stitch around. Slip stitch to join into the chain 1 when you get to the end. Change into our final colour, we're going to chain 4, triple crochet into the next, 2 treble crochet into the one after, and then another treble crochet into the next. We're then going to chain 4 and slip stitch into the next stitch and repeat this all the way around until we get all of our petals. I'm obsessed with the flowers in this video. My boyfriend brought them home for me and I thought it was the sweetest thing ever, even if he did pick them from someone else's bush. As always, the instructions are in the caption, so you can screenshot or save this poster later. You can also screenshot the end of the video where I've put instructions too. Enjoy my sunflowers!